Hello everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a program or an application into your path environment variable. So let's take for example the uh, Android Studio. I just installed Android Studio in my system, and for me to actually run Android Studio I have to type the full uh, directory name, which is user local Android Studio bin, and if I do an ls, this is the file or the executable that I need to run. So instead of typing the full path, I can add this directory into my environment, into my path environment variable, and so I can start the application from anywhere inside the directory tree. So this can be done very easily. One of the ways that we are going to do this, for example, if we echo the path environment variable, we see all the directories or path that we have inside this variable, and so every time we type a command that the bash cannot find, it looks into this path environment variable for the executable or for the path in order to execute that command. And so that's what we're going to do. So we are going to say path, because we have to declare the variable again, equals, and then we're going to call a reference to the variable, which is $path. And in order to add the new directory path, we are going to type column and then followed by the path that we want to add. So it's user local Android Studio /bin, and it's going to add this to the end of this variable. And from what I can see, I've already added it, which is over here. It's right here in the end, but this is the way to do it. Just press enter and then do echo path, and it should be added here in the end. Okay, but we're not done yet. We need to export path now, so we need to do export and then path without the $, and I'm going to press enter. And so if I type now studio.sh, actually it is going to start, but because I've already have it, I've already added it into my variable. But in your case, you're probably not going to take effect until you log out and you log back in again. So that's one way you can do this. So another way we can do this is by adding it to the .batchrc file, which is a hidden file. So we are going to cat this file by typing cat.batchrc file. And of course, I cannot find the file because I'm in the wrong directory. I need to go back into my home directory and then cat the file again, batchrc file. And if you take a look at the end of the file, we have all the path, all the directories that we want to add into our path variable. So another way to do this is by adding the directory to the end of the path variable and then assigning it to path and export. That's another way. You want to save the file once you're done and log out and log in, so changes can take effect. And so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.